Hi, mag-unbox lang ako ng aking mga birthday presents today. Simulan natin sa dito. Ito ay galing kay Ate Ann. Akala ko talaga ay si Pora siya. Ay, nako. Bigyan niya sa ang bigay niya sa akin ay kamatis, cherry tomatoes, na may kasamang tatlong itlog na pula. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ay, puta. So, tatlong itlog na pula at kamatis. So, may ulam na kami mamaya. Ito ang una. Okay. Next, this. Ang laman nito, baba ko na. Okay, ganito. This is from Ate Ann. Thank you, Ate Ann. Ano nito? May parang tumbler siya. Oh, wow, nice. Wow! Oh, my favorite color. It's a yellow tumbler from Starbucks. Thank you, Ate Ann. I love it. Ang ganda. Okay. Yan. Then, also this one. I think this one is also from Ate Ann. Masyado mag-glitters. Happy birthday. Dear Amy, may your year be magnificent. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and thank you for being so kind to our family. Love, Ate Ann. Thank you so much, Ate Ann. Okay. So, ito na siya. Natanggal ko na siya sa mag-glitters na wrapper. Okay. So, mabuksan ko na siya. Ooh. What is this? Okay, so, oh wow, perfect for the weather. Taglamig na. And it's oversized. I love oversized. Nice. Thank you, Ate Ann. Thank you, Ate Ann. Okay, and I think this one is from Bullock. Thank you, Bullock. Ang daming mo, mapakalat ah. Okay. Very nice. Pantulog. Okay, perfect. Nice. Thank you, Bullock. This one it says Beauty Sleep. Right, that's right. Thank you. Okay, lagyan natin dito. And also, this one, in-unbox ko na siya kagabi. This is from Miss Serena, my co-workers, and then also this one, perfume. I already take it out from the box. So, ito ay Estee Lauder. Napabango. Mabango siya. Smells like fresh flower. Thank you, Miss Serena. So, dito. Okay. And also, my gift for myself. Nag-stock buy ako sa Target para regaluhan ang sarili ko ng something mema. So, bumili lang ako nito. Face mask. Tapos, bili lang ko yung sarili ko ng moisturizer para lagi tayong hydrated ang mukha natin. And also, try ko din yung toner. Hindi talaga ako nagto-toner but this time, try ko lang. Malay mo mas gumanda pa. Joke. So, I think that's it for myself. And then, last but not the least, this one is from my darling. Cannot wait to unbox this one. Okay. Okay, hold on. Pretty. Ang ganda. Diba? And, let's see. May message yata ito eh. Okay. So, basahin natin yung nakasulat dito. Meron siyang tiny envelope. And it says here, look, the message. It says, Happy birthday, darling. I love you forever. Yes! Here you go. Thank you, darling. I-unbox na natin ang regalo ni darling. Is ready? May ganon. So, maliit lang siya. Okay, so, yan itsura niya with the dust bag. And here it is. Ito na siya. A key pouch. Small size key pouch. Okay, so open natin. I hope walang problema sa zipper. Ooh. So, ito yung lagay niya ng susi. So, dito mo sasabit yung susi mo. And also, meron din siyang card slot. So, pwede mo ilagay yung card mo dito sa loob. So, you can also use this as a wallet, card holder, and a key pouch. See? It's pretty. Oh, by the way, I have the key here. Maybe we can try it on. We can try na ilagay yung susi sa pouch. The key. So, got the key and a house key. Okay. Excited ako. This one. So, lagyan na natin itong sticker. And then, how do you do this? First time ko to, so I don't know. Oh, you have to pull this up. There. See that? Ayan o. Ayun. Open na. Lagay lang natin yung susi ng sasakyan. Ganyan. There. You see? So, I got a key pouch. Thank you, darling. So, you can also put this key. If you don't want it to leave it like that, pwede mo siyang ipasok sa loob. So, you have to... See? Oh my God, parang sinukat. Ganyan siya. And then, you can also put your card. So, ano na siya. See? Ganda, di ba? That's it. Thank you.